Hello, my name is Scott Hill and I'm the carpentry teacher here at the CTE Center. I have been teaching for almost 10 years. Before that, I was a building inspector, a contractor, and an electrician. In all, I've been in the construction field for about 27 years. Let me tell you a little bit about our program. We have 3 levels of carpentry. Carpentry 1 introduces students to the skills that are essential in our profession. Students have a series of projects that range from small boxes and shelves to learning to frame small structures. You will be taught what kind of hand and power tools that we use in the construction industry and how to use them safely. This class focuses on the fundamentals of the construction trade. In Carpentry 2, you will be introduced to blueprint reading, masonry, framing floors, walls, ceilings, roofs, and decks. You will also learn how to install doors, windows, stairs, and finishes. All students will obtain a required OSHA 10 safety credential in this class. Carpentry 3 is a continuation of all the things that you've done in Carpentry 2, but with the addition of basic rigging, bidding and estimating jobs, and developing those skills that will make you a more desirable choice for the construction companies. I look forward to this year and working with every one of you. Thank you and have a good day and school year.
Thank you for participating in our virtual tour of the CTE Center. If you've seen anything that sparks your interest, talk to your school counselor.